Super Saiyan. And then next, I go on up to Super Saiyan 2. Now! Finally comes the one you've been waiting for. The legendary Super Saiyan 3.
Hold on to your bananas, Bubbles!
Well, this is a surprise. It would seem that all that Super Saiyan talk wasn't just a bunch of hot air after all.
Not bad, huh? But if you want, I can dial it back to 2 for you.
No, that won't be necessary.
Huh?
Well, just try your best.
You still doubt me? Fine!
Manaka, let's throw down!
Hold on, you can't just take liberties like that.
Apologies, your destructiveness, sir. May I please fight him?
Not yet. If you really want Manaka, you must first do 1 trillion sit-ups for me. Only when you've done those will I let you fight.
That's all? Awesome! I'll start now. Thanks, Lord Beerus.
Hey! 1 trillion, I mean it! He's really doing 1 trillion sit-ups.
Guys, come on! We got another...
Please? Do you really think I'll have to go through with this silly dress-up plan? It's shameful for a destroyer.
The only shame is your lie about Manaka, my lord.
Yeah, you brought this on yourself!
Trunks, you shut your mouth!
Phew! Okay, well that's 1 trillion sit-ups. You ready to rumble, Manaka?
That's too fast! Even at 1 sit-up per second, it would take 3 million years to do 1 trillion of them! No way you were doing an honest count, Goku!
My counting was totally honest. 1 trillion, 2 trillion, 3 trillion.
That's all wrong!
What comes after 1 trillion? It's 2 trillion, right?
You cheater! That's not what I meant by trillion!
Look, he can't even...
Found the source. My mistake. I seem to have the wrong person. Well, I doubt that. But I do like the look in your eyes. Did we make it in time?
Good luck out there, Dad! You can take them!
Their energy seems to be charging particles in the atmosphere.
Whoa, we're gonna fall!
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm sure it's safer that way.
Looks like a neck cramp waiting to happen. Impressive, isn't it? A crystal clear picture. It's like being there without having to dodge the blast.
Huh? What should I do now? Nice try, Lord Beerus.
From now on, no more cheap tricks.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
What's going on here?
The consequences will be dire. All the planets, all the Kais, even Goku and Beerus will be lost.
Now we're seeing... It's exactly what my dream foretold.
I bet it seems strange.
This would be their third shockwave. If you're right, Ancestor.
Brace yourself!
This prevented a shockwave and strain on his own body. But I'll chalk that up to your skills, Lord Beerus. You definitely don't make things easy on me.
You're damn right! If you truly understood your divine power, you wouldn't take it so lightly.
I finally reached the limit of this power. That's too bad. I just can't keep this up anymore.
How can that be?
I can't believe it either. To keep on pushing even higher.
What went?
It sounds like we're no closer than we were before. You couldn't find anything that ties Zamasu to Black?
No proof.
But Black's energy reminded you both of Zamasu. That's gotta mean something, right? What if Zamasu used his powers to disguise himself as Goku? Or actually transformed into a mortal? Can't gods do all sorts of amazing stuff?
Of course, the phrase "at present" is key. It's still possible his energy could darken in the future if he harbors enough dangerous ideas.
I'm not so sure about that. Seems like a pretty big leap from him to Black. Zamasu didn't strike me as that bad of a guy. And I should know, you can learn a lot about someone from fighting them.
You mean you fought Zamasu?
I sure did. And I have to say, he had some pretty cool techniques.
But you still won, right, Goku?
Yeah, I did.
No way. While it's true that Zamasu is a deity, he's only a Supreme Kai in training. For someone with experience fighting against a great destroyer like myself, he was a piece of cake.
Yummy! Oh, that's my plate! Goku's even fought this god? This destroyer?